Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Hi, so welcome to this AutoHotKey series, and this video is the second part of this Hotstring. So in this one, I'll discuss this context sensitive Hotstring. Okay. So let's suppose if you see my previous video, then we have this Hotstring, right? .ahk. And if I run this one, so if I run this, so let me run it again. So if I run it and if I type PUF and space, now you can see that this is writing in this window as well, right? And this is not my expected result. I want to write this PUF to public function fx name or PRF only in the VBA window. Okay, so I need to mention that okay, this Hotstring will work only on a particular window, okay, a particular editor. So for that, let me open any workbook actually. If you run this one, then it will add a tree icon in this list. You can see this one, Hotstring.ahk. Right click on your mouse, you will find this window spy. Okay, so this window spy will help us to find that particular editor class. Okay, so now we can see that ahk class excel main, right? And this is for excel window. So if I specify that okay, this will work only ahk underscore class excel main, then it will work only excel window. Now you can see okay, this is the preview window. So and the class name is that ahk underscore class wnd class and desk gsk. So I can just copy this and I can just mention that in this file. You can see that context sensitive. So if win active ahk class and that's all. So we can just set this to in this one as well. If win active, and this is that class. Now if I run this one now, if I try to use PRF space, nothing happened. Okay, but if I try to do that in this window, you can see that it's writing those data in this one, but it's not writing in this one. Okay, so that is context sensitive Hotstring. That means you can specify the class name and then you can just say that okay, this Hotstring will work only on that particular window. Okay, so that is this context sensitive Hotstring. I have to show you some other thing, that long replacement. Okay, so Hotstring that reproduce a large amount of replacement text can be made more readable and maintainable by using continuation section. For example, this one. Okay, so I can just copy this and I can just put this in this section. So this is text one, right? Let me run it again. And if I type text one, so it's saying any text between the top and bottom, like this. So it's writing those data in this immediate window. So if it's a long text, then it's better to enclose with this open parent and close parent in this structure. Okay, so that it will be easily readable and you can just type the long text from that section. So that is this long text part. Also if you look at this, then you can see we have open parent and close parent inside of this, outside of this too. Okay, so you need to be careful about that one as well, like enter, tab. Okay, so the continuation line. So basically this is just open parent and new line is the start of continuation and this is the end of continuation. Like if I just show you this one, so it's saying that missing like this text, and by default the hard carries return interpret in the previous line. This line is also preserved by default. The indentation tab to the left of this line is preserved. So you have to this in new line. Now if you try this, still it's error, but if I try this, so this actually using as a continuation line. So this is how you can replace long text if you need a long text replacement. And I already showed this context sensitive hot string. You can actually generate a library for often misspelling English keyword. It has 4700. You can add more based on your necessary. I already showed you this one, that you can put this asterisk so that you don't need to put space or enter to trigger that particular event. Function of string, I already show you this one as well. Function of string, this is this one. Okay, so I think this is all for this what is string series. And we do have one function as well in this what is string. So this is for enabling, disabling what is string. We'll see this in a later video. Thank you for today. If you have any question, feel free to comment. Have a good day.